So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram story view not showing on my iPhone and Android. So guys, lot of Instagram user has been reporting to Instagram story view not showing on iPhone and Android devices. In this video I will open my Instagram story. Now you can see also swipe up, but still Instagram story view is not showing on my iPhone and Android devices. Now Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue my iPhone and Android devices. So guys, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. So guys, in this video I will show you solutions for the Instagram story view not showing on iPhone and Android. Now first one solution is most important. The solution is log out and log in again. Now first of all, strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android. Now open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also profile sections at the right hand side bottom and 3 lines at the right hand side corner. Now tap on the settings. In settings scroll down and second last option is logout options available. So guys, please make sure log out this account, sometime wait, then again log in back this account on your Instagram in iPhone and Android devices. Now second solution is clear Instagram cache on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, what to do now? First of all, find out the Instagram applications. Now press and hold. In the press and hold you can see also second last option is app information. You can see also center to select, also storage uses. In this you can see also right hand side clear data and clear cache options available. So guys, please make sure tap on that and wait for the sometimes. Now you can see also launch as a new Instagram's applications on your iPhone and Android. So guys, now third one solution is common solutions. The solution is restart your device on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, now question is what to do. Now first of all, press and hold the iPhone as well as Android users and swipe to power off. Power off, after wait for the sometimes like 20 to 30 second wait, then again restart your iPhone and Android devices. Now fourth one solution is most important. The solution is update your Instagram applications. Now first of all, strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android devices. Now open the Play Store in the Android and App Store in the iPhone. In the Play Store, now top corner search bar. In search bar search Instagram application. In the Instagram application, search the Instagram applications. Now you can see also if you any updates available. So guys, please make sure latest versions to update your Instagram applications and easy to fix your problems. Now last one solution is most important. The solution is delete and reinstall the Instagram applications. So guys, now first of all find out the Instagram applications. Now press and hold, and last option is uninstall. Uninstall the Instagram applications, wait for the sometimes, then again reinstall the Instagram applications. This way too you can easily fix your problems. So guys, these 5 solutions too you can easily Instagram story view fixing on your iPhone and Android devices. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.